YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Man, this your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you from Chicago. All-Star Weekend. Look, before we go any further, do me and Maddie a favor both. Y'all know the routine by now. Smash that like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That means share this video. We gonna keep hitting y'all over the head with some heated content, as well as you want to become a part of this movement? Go ahead and sub up so we can go all the way up on YouTube together. All right, gang, since that's out the way, not gonna hold y'all up anymore. Real quick, that's how I will. I'm gonna have the same outfit on when I upload the next video. Your boy out here working in Chicago. I need y'all to be safe, keep y'all head on the swivel. Come down here, enjoy, let's interact. If you see me in line, you know I'm gonna speak to you, do the thumbnails, take pictures. I love interacting. People will tell you now when they, hey, this for real, man. Your boy really do this. And I appreciate each and all my subscribers and my A1s, man. A1 since day one have been rocking with us. Means a lot to me and Maddie both. Like I said, it's All-Star Weekend. I got this pair here from SVRN. Shout out to them, it's a boutique here in Chicago. Your boy got a size 14. Yeah, I do wear size 12, let me explain. These are women's shoes. It's supposed to be women's shoes, but they went up to extended sizes. Man, thank you, sneaker gods. And the reason why is these things are, look, man. Sheesh. You know I had to hit it with sheesh. Okay, let's get that out the way. You got that Jordan smell. Everybody know what I'm talking about with that new Jordan 1 smell. You got the UNC to Chicago colorway here. Hold on, let me show y'all the shoe tree real quick. Y'all can do a legit check as well. Speed it up, slow it down. Y'all know what I say with the videos. You want to pause it and keep the watch hours going. Go. You know what I'm saying, gang? Let's go all the way up. Inside the insole, you got the Carolina blue, the Nike Air. Coming around the back, some good quality leather. I mean, on this blue and how it transitions from the black to the blocking, you got the Carolina check. You come up to the classic toe box of that bread colorway. And look at that leather. Sheesh. Man, come on. Of course, you got the stitching with the Nike Air on this. Show you the back of it as well. Y'all can read everything. This one pair, you know, Vietnam. Red soles, the red bottoms. Sheesh. Okay, well, let's pull out the other one. Other one got the hang tag. No, you know your boy got a lace fetish, but no, this pair did not come with extra laces, but they kind of made up for it with the hang tag. This is a dope quality hang tag. I'm gonna leave my hang tag on. Facts, I will leave this on, and this is leather. The leather on this is just as good as on the shoe. Let me pull out the shoe tree here. Do another legit check with that. Once again, you come up. Man, come on, man, look at that. Y'all see that, gang? Okay. Hang tag popping off. Even around the ankle support. Good ankle support too as well. Now sometimes the Jordan 1s, depending on what you get, the ankle support is not good. This is a good quality shoe. Not trying to hype it up. Not doing no hype beast moment and nothing like that. I rock with it, man. If I got it, that means I rock with it. So, you know, your shoe collection is your shoe collection. That's what your boy Retro and Maddie always say on this channel. Don't let nobody trick you out your collection. You work hard for it. You line up for it. Rock it how you want to rock it. Sheesh. So this insole, we're gonna do a legit check. Make sure this insole is red with the hang tag. So make sure your hang tag on your shoe, you got the insole red. If it's blue, I don't know now. Might be a little iffy. I'm gonna keep the black laces in. I got other laces I'm sure I can, you know, throw in this shoe here. This pair retail, if I didn't say, it was on $170. Tax out here in Chicago is up there. So I think it was like 185, 186, or somewhere in that nature. I might be wrong. I'll show y'all everything on the box as well. Got the stamp on the inside. Real quick, I know I had to do this because when I went in the boutique, they showed me a little love. I got in there. It was a crazy line outside. Follow me under Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks on IG. I posted that video. They had, you know, the Jordan Unite. That's what they was doing, the whole Unite thing. And they actually, OG box. This pair was $160, even though the price went up. Let me explain, because this is an old pair before the price change went up. Shatter backboard, size 7, 3.0. Sheesh. Come on, man. So they actually looked out for me on this pair. I think it was the only pair in the building. Your boy had to leave with that. Once again, shout out to y'all, man. So look, like I told y'all before, I'm gonna be knocking out some more bitches. Your boy will be in the city. If you see me in line, holler at the kid. I'm gonna holler back. You want me to follow you? Let me know. Follow me, I'll follow you back, vice versa. Y'all know the routine. You know what we say around here, man. This your boy. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Sheesh, let's go. We out.